Hey you guys, I'm so excited to hop on and highlight this Arrow wooden handle folding cutting knife. This thing is awesome and I want to highlight some of the cool features of it. So first of all, it just looks really sleek. I love the look of the wood. It just makes it look nicer and I'm a huge fan of that. Next, it comes with a nice little pocket clip, so you can clip this like on your tool bag, with your toolbox, in your pocket, wherever you want it. It comes with this nice clip and it gives like a pretty good resistance. Like it holds itself on there really tight, which is nice. Now this is one of just the click button opening. So you're just gonna click this red button right here. That's gonna allow you to open the knife and then you can hear that click. That button clicks back open when it's all the way open. And this is what it looks like. It's got the little plastic cover on it right now, but there you go. So nice and sharp, does an amazing job. This is perfect for a lot of different things. I mostly use it for like cutting boxes and things like that, but my husband uses these things all the time, so he's really excited about this one. Now, the next really cool part is it comes with 10 replacement blades, which is so nice. So not only do you get the really nice wooden handled knife, just quality, heavy duty, you can tell it is a great brand. You get 10 replacement blades, so you're not having to swap out the knife all the time or buy new replacement blades a lot because they're here, 10 of them, which is so nice. And it's really nice because it gives you instructions on how to swap the blade right here when you need to do that. But overall, you guys, this is just amazing. And then when you go to push it back in, you just push this red button back in, it folds, and then you can hear it click again. So it is extremely easy to manipulate. It's not something that you're having to take a whole bunch of time to like get in and out. Just an easy click button, open, easy click button, and close. So super, super nice and easy. I am really liking this. Like I said, love that it comes with replacement blades. Love that it is a click, open and close. It's not something that's just gonna accidentally slide open and closed. This button has to click to open and close it. Love that it has a pocket holder, and I love that it comes with the 10 replacement blades. That just gives you a really long life with this. Looks great, functions great. If you are on the hunt for a folding knife, I highly recommend this one. Great quality, looks awesome, gets the job done. Make sure you check it out.